Snowboarding. Snowboarding is one of the newest Winter Olympic sports. It made its debut in the 1998 Games in Japan. The snowboard was invented in the 1960s by Tom Sims. Sims was a skateboard champion and only in his teens when he made the first snowboard. During the winter, he was frustrated about not being able to skateboard due to the snow. This inspired him to make a snowboard. Snowboards were available for sale by 1969. At this time, however, snowboarding was actually called snurfing. They got this name by combining the words snow and surfer. In 1979, the first national snurfing championships were organized in the United States. In 1982, the name of the sport was changed to snowboarding, and in 1985, it was recognized as an official sport. However, only 7% of United States and European ski resorts would allow snowboarding on their slopes. The sport began to grow in popularity each year. By 1997, 97% of all ski resorts in North America and Europe allowed snowboarding. Many even had special trails for snowboarders. To be an official Olympic sport, a sport has to be popular in 25 different countries and 3 different continents. Snowboarding reached these numbers and was officially a game in the 1998 Olympics. The popularity of the sport continues to increase. Question number 1. What is the main idea? Question number 2. What was the effect of Tom Sims being frustrated by the snow? True, false. Question number 3. Snowboarding was originally called snurfing. True or false? Question number 4. Snowboarding became an official sport in 1985. True or false? Question number 5. The 1998 Games were in Europe. True or false?